Bienvenue à votre émission Barnelité Abana Photo. Suivez sur Mars.
Oui, Mayo, Djino de Bundes, de Suivez pour représenter une émission sur la Lelo et que quel pays en Afrique parle Lingala? Alors la question était pour tout le monde, alors il y avait beaucoup de gens, ils ont répondu, alors c'était très génial. Alors suivez. Hey guys, we are just here in around Berlin, you know, Alexanderplatz. We're gonna find out, you know, our question today is which country do speak Lingala in Africa? So let's check this out, man. Hi girl.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Italy.
Italy. Oh, that's a nice country. So do you live here in Berlin, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Which country they do speak Lingala in Africa?
I think Congo.
Yes.
Congo, Brazzaville.
Yes.
And Angola.
Angola. Oh, thank you very much. You got it. Yay! Thank you. Have a nice day, right?
You're welcome. Ciao ragazzi. Iscrivetevi al canale di Mayo, Djino e Bundes TV. Ciao, yeah!
Hey, hi brother.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
So where do you come from?
Ghana.
Ghana. Are you living here in Berlin, right?
Yeah.
So I need to ask you a question. Which country they do speak Lingala in Africa?
Congo, Kinshasa.
Yes.
And Congo, Brazzaville, Angola.
Oh, brother, you know that, man. Thank you very much. You appreciate it. Say, have a nice day. Thank you. Hi, brother.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Where do you come from?
Ghana.
Ghana.
Yeah.
So I have a question to ask you. So which country they do speak Lingala in Africa?
Congo, Kinshasa.
Yes. And
Congo, Brazzaville. Right to Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV.
Hi, sister.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
So what's your name?
I'm Suivez.
So where you come from?
Cameroon.
Cameroon. So are you living here in Berlin, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you two questions. Which country in Africa they do speak Lingala, please?
Congo.
Yes.
Congo, Brazza and Congo, Kinshasa.
Congo Brazzaville and Congo Kinshasa. And one more, one left.
Angola.
Oh, thank you, sister. That was great. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'll see you later. All right, bye.
Bye.
Try like it.
Yeah.
So, brother, I need to ask you one question. So, which country do speak Lingala in Africa?
Lingala. I think it's Congo, am I right? Congo and Angola.
And the one more?
Congo, I don't remember.
Oh man, that's you got it, man. Thank you very much. So I appreciate it. Have a nice day, right?
Thanks.
Okay then.
Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV. Take care.
Man, das ist cool. So, sag mal, welche Land spricht man Lingala?
Kongo.
Welche Kongo? Es gibt zwei Kongo.
Der afrikanische Staat Kongo.
Das zwei. Dankeschön, mein Bruder. Okay, schönen Tag noch, ne? Jawohl.
Abonniert den Kanal Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV.
Yeah, man. Hi, girl.
Hi.
Hi, wie geht's dir?
Ja gut, und selbst?
Gut, danke. Wo kommst du denn?
Hier aus Berlin.
Aus Berlin, okay. Berlin, das ist super, gefällt mir. So, ich habe eine Frage.
Ja.
Welches Land spricht man Lingala in Afrika?
Also aus der... Nein, das ist... Abonniert den Kanal Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV.
Yeah, that's good. That's...
Posso abonner Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV.
Posso abonner na Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV.
Yeah.
Posso abonner na Mayo, Djino.
Hey yo, posso abonner na Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV.
Abonner.
Posso abonner na Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV.
Ouais, je salue Serge Mayo Mona.
Hello everyone, watching me from around the world. I've got some great news for you. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Ezanga inde konabino, mame fragile na fandi na Allemagne, donc Berlin, mais na Potsdam. Donc o ezali site na biso
Mayo, Djino de Bundes TV. Black Rose.
Oui, balandi ya Mayo Djino de Bundes pour Kolanda émission na biso ya lelo ezalaki que tobandaki kotuna bato pays nini na Afrique balobaka Lingala bato ba répondre boyoki dino moko alors comment esali bien parce que tolingi pe étranger baye pour la langue na biso na Afrique alors ezalaki très génial alors suivez nous sur notre chaîne Mayo Djino de Bundes. Allez, ciao ciao.